everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Yusra. Today we study history. If this video is useful to you, so please don't forget to follow, share and like, and also subscribe to my channel. So let's start without wasting time. Tracing changes through 1,000 years. So this is the whole chapter. Take a look at map 1 and map 2. Map 1 was already made in 15 CE by the Arab together geography Al-Idri. The section reproduced here in detail of India's subcontinent from his large map of India. Map 2 was made in 1720 CE French. These two maps are quite different even though they are the same area. In Al-Idri's map, South India was where we would expect to North India by Sri Lanka, and the island was chopped. Place names are in Arabic, and there are some well-known names like Uttar Pradesh. Map 2 was already made in nearly 600 years. Map 1, during which time formation about the subcontinent has changed considerably. The map seems more informational to us. The coastal area in particular details. This map was used by European sailors and merchants in their series or dynasty. Equality, the most important fact. Equality is the most important fact of science, different in two periods. When historians read documents, map and their texts from the past, they have to sensitive in different historians backgrounds or question and constant of the information in past was produced. New and old terminologies is the constant in which information is produced, which was the gain. What about the languages and meaning? Historian record exists in a variety of languages which have changed considerably over the years. Medievals, for example, the difference of modern priest. The difference is not just to regard or the members also change over the time. Now we discuss the term of Hindustan. Take the term of Hindustan. For example, today we understand the term of Hindustan. Today we stand as a term of India. The modern nation state. When the term was used in the 13th century, who wrote reason? He meant the area of Punjab, Haryana and land between Ganga and Yamuna. He used in the term of politician, science, land and were the part of demons of Delhi Sultan. The area included in the term shifted with the accent of Sultan, but the term never includes South India. The constant in the early century, Babur used to decide a term in geography, the fauna and the culture of inhabitant of the subcontinent. As we will see later in the chapter, it was somewhat similar to the 14th century poet Amir Kushan's used to word Hind. Well, the idea in geography and the culture identity in India did exist. The term Hindustan did not carry politicians' meanings and their sociality with these days. So now the next topic is historians and their resources. Historians use different resources to learn about the past depending upon this period of their study and the nature of their investigation. Last year, for example, we read about the ruler of Gupta and dynasty. In this book, we will read about the following 1,000 years of roughly 700 to 1750. You will notice some continued in sources used by historians of the study of this period. They still rely in coins, inscription or textual records for information, but there was also considerable discontinuity. The number of varieties textual record increased in Brahmins during the period. They slowly replaced other types of available information through this period. Gradually became the chapter of more visual. People used in the right of holy texts of ruler letter and teaching of student, politician and used record for investigation of account and text. Manuscripts were collected by the wealthy people, rulers, monasteries, and temples. They were placed by libraries and achievers. These manuscripts and documents provide a lot of detailed information to historians, but they are so difficult to use. So the same of his text become the very same text become the different from one another. These series create a problem for real manuscript of the author today. We are totally dependent upon the copies made by the script. As a result, historians have to read different manuscript versions of the same text to guess what the author had original written. On occasion, authors received their different times. The 14th century Ziauddin Barani wrote first 1356, other version of 2 years later. The two differ from each other, but historians did not know what the extent of the first version until 1916. It remained lost large libraries. This period is also taken as great manually. Groups of people travel long distance in each other opportunity for writing these manuscripts. Religion and empires. So the next topic is religion and empire. Large states like those of Cholas or Mughals, as a Delhi Sultan explained that he was a ruler was vast empire that in the east Ghazi, in the west includes all south people from different religion, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Before armies, historians. So now let's promote it to question answers. So these are the question answers. Who was the first forgiver? The forgiver was a past who was write manuscript as well as their own. So in the past, a forgiver was someone who was not a part of a certain society or culture. A city dweller might have regarded a forest dweller as a forgiver, but two peasants living in same village were not a forgiver to each other, even they have had a different religion or caste. Is it true or false? We do not find inscription for the period after 700. False. The Marathas instituted their politician important during the period. True. Forest dwellers were sometimes pushed out their land with the sprint of agriculture. Is statement true. Sultan controlled Assam, Manipur and Kashmir. False. Fill in the blanks. Archives are the place where the manuscripts are kept. Ziauddin was the 14th century of potato, corn, chili, tea and coffee were some new crops introduced into the subcontinent during this period. List the some of the technology changes associated with this period. Some of the technology changes associated with this period are the precision of irrigation, the spinning wheel of weighing and the streams in the combat. What were the some of the major religious development during this period? The inclusion of new deities of Hinduism, the construction of temples by royalty and growing the importance of Brahmin priests, dominant group of society, the emergency of bhakti, of a loving personal duty. They people could reach out, celebrate ritual, merchant and migrate, introduce Islam to the subcontinent through the teaching of Holy Quran. Many rivers were patron of Islam and the Ulama. So we have completed the question answers and the whole chapter. Hope you understand. If this video is useful to you, so please don't forget to comment, like and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.